Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show y'all how to change this strut out right there on this 2012 Acura TSX. It would work from 2009 to 2014. Very simple job, not too bad. Now these are just the original OEM struts that I'm changing out. I'm not putting coilovers or anything like that. But anyway, for up top, you're gonna need a size 12. It's gonna be 3 of these, and then you're gonna need a size 14 for this one, and that one. And this 12 fit here, here, and here. So down here below, what you need is a size 10 here. It's a little dirty up in there here. And then you have one right here. Now you don't have to remove the whole thing, but you want to get it out the way so when you pull the strut out. But I'm gonna show y'all. And then you have one here, which is a size 10. And this one here is size 14. This is going to the strut, holding it right there. Then we have one down below for the bracket for the strut, and that is a size 17. And as you can see on this side, size 17. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this cable first, which is your ABS cable. Move this out the way, and I'll be back with you guys. All right, your cable should be loose like this. So when we pull this out, after I get done taking everything apart, this will allow you to pull it out a little easier. If you don't, you might end up breaking your cable here. You don't want to do that. Next, what I'm going to do is take the size 14 out here and that 17 out right here down below. I'll be back with you guys. All right, it should be looking like this right here. It should be loose. See how loose that is? And down here, you may have to, this hole right here, you might have to get a screwdriver and tap that big long screw out of there. Y'all can see that. I'm trying to get a good angle here. But y'all gonna have to tap that out. That screw is gonna be a long one, like this. So now, what we're gonna do, basically what I'm gonna try to do is get this bracket off right here, which basically I'm gonna just lift up and remove this out the way. That way when it's time to get the strut out, it won't be all in the way. All right, next, I'm gonna zip them off. Like I said, size 12 and size 14. And just that easy. That's why you should have one of these tools. See how fast that is? All right, so the strut is out right now. So I'm gonna give y'all some pointers. You wanna make sure this is back so it has some wiggle room. And when it's time to get that strut out of there, you take a screwdriver and pry up between that strut and this bracket here. And then when it's time to take it out, like I said, make sure this is out the way. You're going to jack it up a little bit, and it's going to allow the whole thing to come up and allow the spring to clear right here. So you just basically bring it down and then bring it out this way. That way you get the whole strut out. I hope this was helpful. If so, make sure you like and subscribe, share this video. While you at it, look at your boots. All of your boots, make sure they're in good condition, because this is the time to do it if you're gonna do it. All these are still looking really good. There's one down below, I already checked it. But comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.